Mr. G, and I'm going to show you how to play a B major open chord. Now, a major chord is made up of your first, third, and fifth. And for B, that would be B, D sharp, and F sharp. So that's exactly what we're going to play. We can make a cool little open chord out of this. Now, this is what the chord looks like and sounds like. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing that root note there with my middle finger on the second fret of the fifth string. I'll play that B note. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the fourth string of the first fret to play the D sharp. So what I do with my index finger is when I'm touching the fourth string, I slightly touch that third string to mute it. And then on the second string, I'm going to be playing that note open. That's your open B. Then on the first string, I'm going to take my ring finger and place it on the second fret of the first string to play that F sharp note. And when you play it all together, it sounds and looks like this. So that's your B major open chord. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my videos on other open chords and alternative open chords. Again, keep on jamming.